Happy Halloween! It's Halloween in August. We've got the new set, the Haunted Mansion. It has 736 pieces. It's set number 31, 167. It's from the 3-in-1 collection, so you can make the train or the ghost ship. We're gonna make the mansion. This is gonna go in my Halloween village. It looks like you get 5 minifigures. So a werewolf, a Frankenstein, a skeleton, ghost, and a vampire. You get 6 bags and 3 books. So you get a separate book for whichever build you want. And of course, I want to do the Haunted Mansion. Bag 1, step 1. For a creator set, a creator 3-in-1 set, I would say this is probably the best that they've done so far. It has 736 pieces. It is quite small. It is 9.5 inches high and 9 inches wide. It is 5.5 inches deep. In centimeters, that's 25 centimeters tall, 24 centimeters wide, and 15 centimeters deep. So it's not even as tall as a ruler. You get a front gate that opens. You can chain it off. There is a graveyard, and there's a little minifigure hand sticking out. It's all skeleton white. There is a scary tree. And you might notice mine looks a little different. I just use any extra parts around and just keep adding branches. The set opens up. Inside you have an organ. Beside that is a hidden ghost, and you just turn this knob to reveal a gem or a ghost. You also get a grandfather clock that you can move just by spinning this knob here. Then the arm will go back and forth. The pendulum. Here's the outside view of the ghost, then the gem, ghost, gem. The scary tree easily detaches and then goes right back. You get the 5 minifigures. The ghost glows in the dark. You got a skeleton, a werewolf, a vampire, and Frankenstein. I really like Frankenstein's top piece, the hat. And then the witch, looks like there's always wind blowing. Her hair looks pretty cool there. And then you do get 2 choices for her face. There's the normal eyes. And I really like the werewolf's head. And you've got printed feet or legs. You get printed legs. Print on the bottom dress piece. And even some print on the back of Frankenstein. And of course the back of the werewolf. You even get some torn marks. That must have been from the transformation as he turned into a werewolf. It ripped through his sweater. And he's pretty buff. They even have the print detail of abs and more tears in his jeans from the transformation of turning into a wolf. And then the vampire has an old Victorian dress. Some print detail on the back as well. In the instruction manual, they get you to use the other side of the masonry bricks, but I think this looks a lot better. The other side of the masonry bricks looks more like natural siding of a house, but this makes it look more old or vintage. The roofs uses the same technique from the Haunted House set. That is set number 10273, and it has the ride, So you go up the elevator and it drops, like the drop zone does. The Manor von Baron. I can't wait to add this to my Halloween village. We'll have to wait for October. The only drawback of this set is the price. With just over 700 pieces, I think it should come at $80 to $90, but it is listed at $120. So it's worth it if you've got a Halloween village, I believe. Other than that, you might want to wait for it to go on sale.